Hi, hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a genie bag. I made this bag from my used jean. That's the what the names came from. But of course, before I start, please support this channel by give me your thumb up, leave your comment below, and share. And don't forget to push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload new videos. Thank you. Let's get started. This is my old jean, which is not fit in my body anymore. Instead of just throw it away on the dress, I want to make something adorable from my beloved jeans. Cut the interlining first and then iron it to your jeans so you can be sure that the size of your jean is fit in with the patterns of the bag. For the detail of the patterns, include the materials and also the marking, you can take a look on this video description. I put the link on that description. This is first we will make a pocket, front pocket, and you just put the good side together and then sew it with 5 millimeter seam allowance, and of course don't forget to make an opening to turn the inside out. And after we turn the inside out, just close the opening, and for the for the top we stitch with 3 millimeter seam allowance, and the rest we need to top stitch with 1 centimeter seam allowance. And then mark the main exterior to put where the pocket will be attached. And this is how I attach the front pocket. Top stitch with the very narrow seam allowance is about 3 millimeter. Well, now it's time to make handles and adjustable strap as well. We just need to fold it half, and then we fold it again and stop stitches the both edges with the narrow seam allowance. It is up to you to if you want to put interlining, so it will make your handle more sturdy. Now mark where the handles will be placed and then attach it. Prepare the lining and its zipper pocket as well. And for the detail how to make a zipper pocket, you can watch on my previous video. I've already published 2 videos of it. Put it together and then sew it. Turn the inside out. For the main exterior, refer to the marking. Top stitch it with 3 mm seams allowance, and this is the trick how I top stitch the front part where we meet the pocket. Frankly, it will be easier for you if you just join the lining and the main exterior first before you join the front pocket. Hand stitch the ends of the zipper. This is how I make the receipt zipper. mark the center first and then attach it to the main body of the bag. Put it together and stitch it with 1 centimeter seams allowance, and after that you just can flip it out, fold it and top stitch it with 3 millimeters seams allowance. And this is how I make the ring holder. You just fold it in twice and top stitches. Attach the ring holder into a side panel. Well, now it's time to join the side panel to the main parts, and we sew it with 5 millimeter seams allowance. Stop sewing 5 millimeter right before you reach the edge. Now it's time to turn the inside out, the time of truth. For the mini basket where I put my clips, if you are eager to learn about crocheting, you can watch this tutorial on my first channel, Ayaran Indar. Thank you. Clip it before you top stitch it all along the edges with 8 millimeter seams allowance. Well, now it's time to attach the handles. But yeah, my tips: if you're lack of chains for the handle, you can use the what you call it, webbing. Well, finally, Jeany bag is ready now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. And of course, push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload new videos. Stay safe, have fun, and see you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.